What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to make Snapchat public profile. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Once you have logged in into your Snapchat account, head over to your Bitmoji icon and go to settings, or you can also go to my public profile option. And once you're there, go to OK and turn your profile public. And there is also another thing you can do. Go to settings and scroll down until you see public profile settings and go there. And there's another thing you can do to view my story and change it to custom. Then see me in quick add to check all, and then comment settings to auto approve everyone, and actually turning everything into not only friends but everyone. That's how you can get your Snapchat public profile, and you can manage it from your public profile settings. And yeah, that's it. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.